Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drum brake kit used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the rear wheel studs. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. To change the rear drums on your vehicle, you will have to remove the wheels to gain full access. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the drum brakes on your car. Before starting, release the handbrake, otherwise the operation will be impossible. Using a hammer and a chisel, remove the rear hub nut cover. Using a brake upper and a 32mm socket, release the hub nut and remove it. Then remove the drum. Using pliers, while holding the rod from behind, unclip the hold-down parts that hold the shoes, pressing on the springs and turning a quarter turn to release them. Now you have to pull the shoes out of their housings. Remove the handbrake cable from its latch. Then remove the rods. You now need to clean the inside with a wire brush and brake cleaner in order to remove the brake dust left over from natural wear of the brake shoes. Remember to protect the floor by placing a fluid collection tray.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Get the new shoes ready. Lubricate all lining bearing surfaces. Start by replacing the handbrake cable in its catch. If you have a pre-assembled kit, you will only have to put the old linings in place. If not on the workbench, prepare the new kit before its installation. Then place the shoes on the stop and finish by placing them on the wheel cylinder. Once secure in place, reassemble the shoe holding systems of the spring rods and hold-down parts supplied in the kit. Thread the rods. Put the springs in place, then lock them in place by turning the hold-down parts a quarter turn. You will find the drums used in the video on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Remove the plastic cover from the bearing. You can now close the work area by putting the drums back on. Refit the rear hub nut. And finish tightening with a torque wrench. Secure the nut with a chisel. Then put the cover back on the nut. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.